Hey guys, Kathy here, and it's been a while since I've done a video, so I ordered this cool candle making kit and I thought I would do a little video on it. I've already made one candle and it's very easy. It'd be fun for kids to do as well. So I'll show you this. I'm not getting paid to sponsor this, but I just thought I'd share this with you. It's a fun kit. I made this candle holder and I've been using it along with another one. I'll show you when we're done. But I thought it'd be fun to make my own little beeswax candles. So I found these on Amazon. You can probably find them in craft stores. But it's got these cool beeswax sheets in it. This is natural candle making kit. It's from Candleology. Candleology. So let's open it up and show you what's in here. You've got your instructions, and on the inside it kind of tells you different ways that you can make your candles with what's included in here. So I'm actually going to put that off the side because I already know what I'm going to do, but I'll show you what's in here. Is you've got this cotton wick right here, a whole bunch of it. Here's some dried lavender stems. That's what I'm going to use on this candle. Then I'm going to show you. You've got some like a jute cord. What else we got here? Oh yeah. It's got this little like honeybee. We're going to use that as well. It sticks right into the candle. It's got a little pointy thing on the back here. Some lace, in case you want to wrap your candle with lace. Some dried oranges. That's pretty cool. And some cinnamon sticks. So I'm not going to use those right now. And then you've got, let me see, this one, how many does this one have? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sheets of beeswax. They're unscented. So we're going to get started. You're going to want a nice level surface. They tell you can cut this in half and make shorter candles. You can make a bunch of little candles just by cutting this sheet in different sizes. I'm going to use the whole sheet though. Yeah, we're going to use the whole sheet for my candle. And then you take your wick, and however long you're making your candle, you want to add about a ½ inch longer. So I'm coming out beyond here, and that's where I'm going to cut it. Like so. And you want to lay your wick, I'm going to flip this over just because I've got a little jagged edge here. We're going to put that on the inside. And you're going to lay your wick right down that whole length with some sticking out at the end here. And then you kind of start rolling. And once you get it started, it goes easier. But I just like to turn this end up just a little bit at first, nice and gently. And then you kind of roll that wick nice and snug in there. So that's holding that wick. It's going to be right in the center of the candle, like so. You can see it's tucked right in there. And then just kind of get your roll started here, little by little, like so. I wanted candles that I could really make to fit my candle holders until I perfect my technique. So I thought this would be a good candle to try. I have made my own candles in the past, jar candles, This was years ago. I also did wax dipped bears. That was fun. Those were really popular. I've been into almost every kind of hobby. My mom says, well, what are you going to do after this one? You're going to run out of things. Anyway, you can see now we're starting to get a good roll here. So we're just going to continue evenly and snugly. You don't want to press down too hard because you don't want to get rid of this honeycomb pattern. See? But you want to kind of make sure you're going even. And voila, there's our candlestick. So for this one, I'm keeping it very simple. I'm going to take one of these lavender sprigs here. Let's see which one. I think we'll use this one. They've got like 6 or 7 of them in there. I'm just going to use one. I'm going to get a little bit of the jute cord to tie around the candle. And we're going to tie this in a bow right around that stem, like so. Oops. I don't want to lose too many of these little blossoms on here. These are more for decoration with the stems. Oops, losing a few little buds there. And then I'm going to take my little bumblebee. Oops. You see, isn't he cute? It's a little bumblebee, and he's got a little spike on the other side. So I'm just going to put him right here, pushing in right through the wax, like so. Isn't he cute? And there we've got the finished candle. Oh, his little wings fell off. Push those back on. There we go. And then I'll get my candlestick. And this one's a little big going around. I wonder if, let me grab my lighter. Hold on just a moment. I got it. I'm gonna grab my lighter and maybe melt the end a little. And maybe it'll stick down in the bottom and kind of hold it upright. Oops. Like so. There. Now it's holding it up. And I've got another one here that I made. So I'll bring you down here and let you see them. Oops. Not very graceful. I need a cameraman. Anyway, here we go. They're so coordinated. So here's this candle holder with our little beeswax candle. And there's the other one. And they're gonna go out on my coffee table. They're bright and cheerful, and as you can see, pretty darn easy to make. So let's see, show one lit here just for the heck of it. And come on, it's gonna really suck if it doesn't light. There we go. There we go. There's our candle. And I'm sure once it burns down a little bit, I'll probably want to take the lavender buds off, but it looks really cute. Excuse the tidy cat in the background. I don't have a cat. That's for traction. It's winter after all. Anyway, there we go. And hope you like this quick little review of the natural candle making kit, Pure Beeswax by Candleology. Like I said, they're not paying me to do this. I just thought I would share it with you. So anyway, hope you all having a happy new year. Regardless of what's going on in the world right now. I won't get into politics, but suffice it to say, I'm just trying to stay busy. So anyway, hope you're all doing well and staying healthy and safe. And we'll catch you on another video sometime soon. Bye for now.